how to find cheap flights using AI. So let's get started. First, open Claude AI and start a new chat. Now type your travel request. For example, find the cheapest round-trip flight from New York to London next month. Then press Enter. If Claude needs live flight information, it may display a list of flight search connectors, such as Kiwi.com, Expedia, or lastminute.com. Simply choose the connector you want to use and click Connect. Once connected, Claude can search for live flight prices, compare airlines, recommend cheaper travel dates, and even suggest nearby airports to help you save money. Keep in mind that Claude AI doesn't book flights directly. Instead, it helps you research and compare the best flight options before you make your booking. And that's it. That's how easy it is to find cheap flights with Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.